Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and I haven't really uploaded a video in a while. Well, I can mention it on here on YouTube, but certain disease. Yeah. Um, and today I'm going to be drawing a mythical creature, a Chinese mythical creature called like the Kirin or the Kirin. I think Kirin sounds better than Kirin, but it's a Chinese mythical creature. It's kind of like a bearded horse, something like that. I'm going to start with the head. Have the head right here. I'm going to draw its torso right here. I'm going to draw its hooves. It's essentially a horse, a little bit kind of a horse dragon hybrid. I've been drawing this a lot lately, mostly on my new computer I have. I'll show you the new computer I have as soon as I'm finished with this. I'm gonna draw this backside. Gonna draw the tail. It's a Chinese food creature. So most Chinese food creatures have beards for some reason. Have these awesome beards, kind of just like the Asian dragon. I'm going to draw the ears. They also have a single, unlike most mythical creatures, they have a single antler on top of their heads. Next, I'm going to draw the eyes. Then next, I'm going to draw the mane. I'm going to draw another. His mane stretches out from all over his chest. I'm going to draw the beard. And next, I'm going to draw the hair on his tail. And next, I'm going to draw his hooves. And I think that's it. Leave in the comment section if you want me to do another video of me coloring this, because I really love to color. Start doing colored art instead. First, I'm going to draw the sketch, and then I'm going to color after in another video. It will keep you guys wanted. So that's it.